Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best slushie machines, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. U-Host Slushie Machine. Create perfect frozen drinks effortlessly with this 7-in-1 slushie maker, ideal for slushies, milkshakes, fraps, frozen margaritas, and more. Featuring a powerful, energy-efficient compressor, it quickly freezes beverages within 15 to 30 minutes. No ice or pre-freezing required. Whisper quiet at 40 dB. It won't disturb your gatherings. The Smart Touch control panel offers easy, precise operation, while BPA-free, food-grade materials ensure safety and hygiene. With a generous 72 ounces 2.1 L capacity, it's perfect for parties and family fun. The detachable dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Plus, a 4-hour auto shutoff prevents overheating for worry-free use. For best results, use liquids with over 5% sugar and alcohol between 2.8% to 16%. Always stir your mix well before freezing. Whether hosting or relaxing, this versatile frozen drink maker delivers delicious, refreshing beverages fast and hassle-free. Support is just a message away. Number 2. Iceman Slushie's Slushie Machine. Enjoy icy cold slushies and frozen drinks right at home with this versatile 48-ounce slushie maker, no ice needed. Perfect for classic cherry slushies, frozen margaritas, fraps, and more. Thanks to its quick freezing technology, your favorite beverages, containing sugar, are ready to enjoy in about 20 minutes. The intuitive touch controls offer 5 preset options tailored for soft drinks, juices, wine, beer, and cocktails, plus a customizable setting for your own creative recipes. Easily dispense up to 8 servings by pulling the convenient lever. No scoops or spoons required. Compact and countertop-friendly, at under 7 inches wide and 17.5 inches long, it fits seamlessly in any kitchen. Whether making frozen cold brew or post-practice Gatorade slushies, this slushie machine brings fun, convenience, and refreshment all in one. Number 3. UGR Slushie Machine. Experience the ultimate frozen treat maker with the UGR Ice Cream and Smoothie Machine. This versatile 2-in-1 appliance creates perfectly chilled smoothies and creamy soft-serve ice cream using fresh ingredients. No need for pre-freezing or ice. With a generous 68-ounce capacity, it serves up to 5 portions at once, or a single perfect serving without waste. Choose from 6 easy presets for smoothies, slushies, milkshakes, and ice cream with just one touch. Thanks to fast chill technology, your favorite treats are ready in as little as 5 minutes. The machine operates quietly and features an automatic cleaning mode, making it simple to use and maintain. Perfect for families and parties, the UGR Ice Cream and Smoothie Maker delivers delicious, refreshing treats every time. Number 4. SYGNTO Slushie Machine. Enjoy delicious frozen treats anytime with the SYGNTO Slushie Machine featuring new, rapid freezing technology. No ice needed. Prepare slushies, ice cream, fraps, milkshakes, and more in just 15 to 45 minutes using 6 preset modes tailored for perfect texture and taste. The upgraded 88-ounce vessel serves up to 7 people, ideal for parties and family gatherings. Simply pour your favorite drink, choose a mode, and let the machine work, or schedule your treat up to 24 hours in advance. Making creamy ice cream is effortless. Just add milk and cream, then select Ice Cream mode. Cleanup is easy with an auto-clean function and dishwasher-safe parts. Remember, drinks need at least 4% sugar for freezing. SYGNTO offers friendly support to ensure your satisfaction every step of the way. Number 5. Green Ever Slushie Machine. Enjoy endless refreshment with 7 preset modes, letting you effortlessly create milkshakes, frozen juices, slushies, spiked drinks, fraps, and more. The custom mode invites you to experiment and craft your own delicious creations, perfect for parties or quick cool-downs. Thanks to advanced rapid chill technology, no ice or pre-chilling is needed, delivering smooth, full-flavored slushies without dilution. The large 68-ounce capacity serves up to 9 drinks, ideal for family gatherings or stocking up for the week. Simply add your ingredients, select a preset, and relax while machine does the work. Cleanup is easy with self-cleaning and dishwasher-safe parts. For best results, use drinks with at least 8% sugar and keep alcohol content between 2.8% and 16% for frozen cocktails.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.